Dear students, let us begin with the second part of the lesson in which you will learn about the data labeling and scrutiny in SPSS. Before conducting any analysis, cleaning your data and checking for missing values, outliers and inconsistencies is essential for data cleaning. SPSS provides various tools and functions for data cleaning such as descriptive statistics, frequencies, etc. These procedures allow you to identify and handle missing values, detect outliers and check for data distribution. Checking for errors in categorical variables. To check for errors in categorical variables, follow the procedure you should follow. First, click on Analyze tab, then click Descriptive Statistics, then click Frequencies. From there, choose the variables you want to check for errors. Then click on the arrow button to move the variable to the variable box. Click the Statistics button, then select Minimum and Maximum from the Dispersion section. Then click Continue, then click OK. Checking errors in continuous variables. To check the errors in continuous variables, the following procedures has to be followed. The first one is click on Analyze tab, then click Descriptive Statistics, then click Descriptives. Second, choose the variables of interest and click on the arrow button to move it to the variables box. The last, click the Options button, then select Mean, Standard Deviation, Minimum and Maximum. Then click Continue and click OK. Correcting errors in the dataset. There are two ways of correcting errors in the datasets, depending on whether you can access the original questionnaires. Before correcting the errors, you need to find the errors in the dataset. To sort data, follow the procedure below. Click on the Data menu, then choose Sort Cases. Then click on the variable that you know has to error. Then click on the arrow to move into the Sort By box. Then click on either ascending or descending order. Ascending order starts with lowest value to highest value, while descending order starts with highest value to the lowest value. Then click OK. Missing values. SPSS has two types of missing data. One is system missing data, another one is user missing data. The system missing data, these are generated automatically by SPSS. They are denoted with a period mark full stop, and non-SPSS generated missing values are denoted by a blank. In user missing data, these are generated by the either user or researchers. The researcher will guided by the code book used when developing the questionnaire. Common user generated missing values include 98, 99 or 999, etc. Missing values. These are the procedure we have to follow while checking the missing values in SPSS. First, open the SPSS and create your code book. Go to Variable View and select Gender. Go to the column titled Missing and click on it. Then click OK. Here we may see the procedure for finding the missing values. Here 96 prefer not to say. The code 96 will appear in the missing column for that variable. Outliers. Outliers are extreme or unusual observations that can substantially affect the statistical analysis. SPSS offers various methods to detect outliers, such as using the box plot, descriptive statistics or explore procedures. Once identified outliers, you can decide whether to remove outliers or transform the data. Data validations. Validating the integrity of your data is essential for data analysis. This involves checking for data entry errors, inconsistencies and logical errors in your data set. SPSS provides functions to perform data validation checks, such as the compute and if commands, which allow you to create logical conditions and flag potentially erroneous data points. Data transformation. Data transformation may be necessary to meet the assumptions of statistical tests or to improve the distributional properties of variables. SPSS offers a range of transformation options such as logarithmic, square root or inverse transformations. It is essential to carefully consider the implications of the data transformation on the interpretation of your results. Dear students, in the second part we have learned recoding variables in SPSS and handling missing values in SPSS and data formatting. I hope you understood all the concepts. We will continue in the next video. Thank you.